Friends, imagine being able to stay fully focused on building without constantly jumping between bugs, side requests, and half-finished ideas. Real development isn't linear, and that constant context switching is what kills creative flow. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're taking a look at Verdent. It's an AI-native development partner designed to help you focus on creation, not interruptions. Whether you're starting from scratch or improving an existing project, this tool works the way real developers do. I'll show you what it looks like from the inside. It works both as a standalone app and as a VS Code extension, and in just a few minutes, we'll build your first agent and get practical results. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Folks, Verdent is a platform that lets you create and run AI agents without complicated infrastructure or extra setup. It's built for real-world development, where ideas evolve, priorities shift, and you don't always have everything figured out up front. You work through a clear ready-made interface, where the agent acts as a focused task executor, not an abstract model. This makes it easy to move from idea to result without friction. Guys, let's load everything we need and create our first real case. We won't just talk to the AI, we'll actually build a small working tool from scratch. Okay, take a look at the input field in the center. This is where Verdent works its magic. You describe the task and it's handled right away. On the left, just below this field, you can pick the mode. Plan mode is where Verdent really feels like a partner. I don't need a perfect spec. I don't need to think through every edge case up front. I just describe the idea, and we think it through together before anything is built. Nothing runs at this stage. Verdent discusses the task with me, fills in the gaps, and turns a rough idea into a clear, executable plan. However, execution only starts once I agree. Mates, we first agree on a plan, make sure nothing is missing, and then start execution. I'll start with plan mode, because real projects often begin with an incomplete idea and the need to make sure we're building the right thing. At this point, Verdent isn't executing anything yet. We're still in the thinking phase, clarifying scope, structure, and approach. Only after the plan looks solid do I move forward. You can choose from different AI models. Right now, Claude Sonnet 4.5 is installed, which works perfectly for me. You could also use GPT-5, Gemini 3 Flash, or other Claude versions. Folks, once that's ready, we send the task and pick a project folder to serve as our workspace. We can see the work trees where all the project files will live there. I type out a detailed prompt and send it to the agent. Almost immediately, it creates a step-by-step implementation plan for the Nodesmith CLI tool, exactly what we asked for. But Verdent doesn't just start writing code right away. First, it takes a moment to understand the project context. You'll see it checking the repository, looking at the folder structure, and making sure we're really starting from scratch. This part is really important. The platform doesn't guess or make assumptions. It looks at the real project context, not some imaginary setup. Guys, once that's done, it puts together a clear implementation plan. For each step, you can see which files will be touched and how the result will be checked. So right away, you know what's going to be built, how to test it, and how to tell if it's working. And at this point, I'm fully in control. I can tweak any step, ask follow-up questions, or even decide not to run it at all. In my case, the plan looks solid, so I approve it and hit build. This is the moment where Verdent switches from thinking with me to executing for me. I could also switch models here if I wanted to, but Claude Sonnet works perfectly for me. Friends, now Verdent moves into execution, step by step. I can watch the whole process unfold, from the very first file all the way to the final result. And as you can see, it's already finished the task. It didn't just spit out some code, but actually went through implementation and then verified the result. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! What's especially nice is that Verdent even caught an issue in the run command and fixed it on its own. It tried Python, saw the error, and automatically switched to Python 3. It's a small thing, but details like this are exactly what make it feel reliable. Folks, at this point, you can see that all the steps in the plan are done. The files are created, and there's a clear how-to-run example. The expected output is listed, and there's a short explanation of how everything works. From here I can review the changes, look through the code, or just use the result right away. Verdent didn't just build something, it gave me a ready-to-use and verified tool. So I open the terminal and simply run the command from the How to Run instructions. At first we see 3 files in the project. After running the task, a 4th file appears, output.md. It contains the converted markdown from our sample input. And that's it. Everything works exactly as expected. Guys, now let's look at how it handles multiple tasks at the same time. In real projects, you're almost never working on just one thing. As soon as one tool is done, new ideas for improvements or completely different assignments start popping up. So I create a new one and ask Verdent to think about how we could improve the existing result. While that's running, I spin up another one for a different goal. Now I've got several assignments running in parallel, without any chaos. I can switch between them freely, check their status, and keep everything moving without losing context or stopping my work. For these follow-up tasks, I use agent mode, pure execution, where Verdent carries out the work without interrupting my flow. I just describe what I want, and it jumps straight into action. Mates, in the first one, the tool ran a full review. It went through the code, spotted potential edge cases, and gave clear suggestions to make easier to maintain. In the second one, I asked it to extend the tool. Verdent adds a new feature, the ability to choose the output format, and all of these changes are documented, checked, and tested. Guys, another really useful feature in Verdent is workspaces. Here, you can see how to create a new one. A workspace is an isolated environment created from the current branch, so I can experiment or try a new idea without touching the main code. Everything I change stays there. This lets me test different approaches in parallel, compare the results, and then decide what to merge or discard without risking the main project. Alright folks, that's a wrap. Verdent is all about bringing the joy back to coding. It helps you stay in flow, while it handles the complexity, planning, execution, and even experimenting with multiple approaches at the same time. Instead of fighting context switches, you get to focus on what really matters, creating real results. Whether you're fixing bugs, developing new features, or exploring different ideas side by side, Verdent works with you. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.